What's up, guys, and welcome to the channel. So right now I'm gonna be working on a GLS. So we have a couple things going on over here. That trunk, it's a trunk shocks. They went out, so that I'm having issues with them getting them actually to open. I'll show you guys over here. So unlock, hold the button. So wait. All right, so this one is good. That one over there is bad. No, come on, let's go up. So, all right. So, as you guys can see, the strut is completely disassembled. So let me go ahead and give me a stick so I can hold this door up. So we disassembled the broomstick. It's sitting here and going behind the seat. Make sure you put this guy right here so it doesn't come down crashing on your head when you start disconnecting things. So I think these guys have these clips that you need to remove, but this comes off. You have this little clip over here. This comes loose. Alright guys, so just like that, we got this guy out. Oh man, we got oil leaking out of this one. So let me go ahead and get a new one. Alright, so we got both of them here. I'm not sure which one is, because one is driver side, one is the passenger side. They're different. One has a wire on it to plug it in, electronic. This one doesn't. So they're pretty self-explanatory. So bottom goes into the top and they're facing the right way. This bad boy should be compressed a little bit. And I really don't have. Maybe we should disconnect the other one so we can get them on there. Okay. Got a clip off. Now let's try to get this. Alright, so let's hook this one on top. Okay. Guys, we got this one in. So I'm going to put this clip back here. Alright guys, so we got this one out. So this one is going through, it's going through here, through the, so, and I'm seeing the plug, which is all the way back here. So I think we have to reach in through here because it's going right behind the tail light. I don't know if I can remove the tail light, probably not. It's not gonna help. So, but I think if you go through here, we can find a plug in here. So yeah, I can see it. It's back here. So it's plugged behind this module right there. So let me get a light. Alright guys, so we have to get in back here behind this module to get to this strut. But first of all, let me clear some of these things up. Got my tools over here so I can get them out of the way. We also got a light. So this is the way it's gonna be, basically. So I gotta move this guy. So sorry, stick is in the way. Alright, so I think it's going to be easier way for you to move this whole module unit. Let's see if I'm correct. I am correct. So let's go ahead, grab this one, take it all the way out, and let me, okay, so like this. Alright guys, so when you remove this stuff, your plug is going to be right back here, so you can reach in and unplug it. Okay, so make sure you use one of these and push it through here. So you're gonna unplug this, push a pick like this one, push it right through, and just it comes right out. So let's see the new one. Alright guys, let's open this one. Alright, so this one comes with the plug and everything else. Let's move this out of the way. Let's pull this off. Alright, so let's compare the old one. Make sure the plugs are the same. This way. And we got same plugs. So the new one has this rubber shield that runs around. Actually, this is the old one. The new one has just basic tape wrapped around it, so no big deal. This is the part number for the Mercedes. It's right here. I'm gonna put a link down below. This one doesn't have a part number because I bought this one off of eBay, which is relatively cheap compared to the one from Mercedes. So I mean, they're basically the same thing. Well, let's see how they work. Let's put them on and put them together. Alright, so we have this one installed as well. So let's plug this baby in. Let's move my stick. Oh, this thing is stuck in here. plug it in. If I could feel that plug now, that would be nice. Let's put this together. So altogether you have 2 nuts and a bolt that needs to go in here. So you might have to play around a little bit with this one in the back, but you'll be totally fine. Okay, put these guys out. Just make sure you don't drop any of these, because it's going to be a pain in the ass to get it, because there's a lot of stuff back here. These nuts, they're not torqued, so just kind of give them a little tight. Basically, they're just holding the module in. Alright, so we got everything here. So let me go ahead and show you guys what I'm talking about. So this is the module. One is over there. So this is one of the bolts here, and 2 of these nuts up here. So they're right behind the cable. Can't even see them. They're right up there. I don't know if you guys can see them, but they're right up here. One over here, one over there. So they're holding this module in. And the cable plugs in the back of the module. So then it comes through here. Go here. And it's all plugged in. So, okay, just like that. You have the new struts in. So this one is in. Make sure all your pins are in, locked in. And let's put this piece of plastic here. So let's put this guy over here. This. Okay, so let's see if this works. Perfect. Open it up. There you go. There you go. So pretty easy. Swap this old strut shots. I mean, got them off of eBay. I'm going to put a link down below. I think their set was about $180. So much cheaper than what I got a quote from Mercedes. But go ahead, guys. Pick whichever one you want. I'm looking here to save money, not to spend money. But I mean, they work pretty good. So that's all that matters. So let me go ahead and put all these together and call it a day. All right, guys. So there you go. That hood struts are done. Just make sure when you put them in, make sure all these things are nicely done on both sides and top and bottom. So you know what. We also clean the trunk a little bit. So soft close goes in. That's it. This is the old ones. And let me go ahead and dispose these guys. That's gonna be garbage. So that's it for today's video, guys. I want to thank all of you for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, because I feel like a lot of you guys are watching my videos and nobody's subscribing to my videos. So make sure you hit that subscribe button. That will help me a lot, so we can go ahead and make more videos. In the meantime, I'll be posting more videos. I got a couple more things. I have the rear airbags I want to replace because my passenger side attempts to leak a little bit once in a while, not all the time, but I want to replace them and make sure the car overnight doesn't drop down to the ground. But I'll get that done on the next video, and for now I want to thank you guys for watching and have a good day. Peace. That gets really close up there.